Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to stop subscriptions on PayPal. First, you'll want to log into your PayPal account using your secure credentials. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings or profile. From there, look for the Payments or Automatic Payments section. This is where you'll find all your recurring payments and subscriptions. It's a straightforward process to manage your ongoing commitments. After finding the Payments section, you'll see an option labeled Manage Automatic Payments. Click on this to view all your active subscriptions and recurring payments. Carefully select the specific subscription you intend to cancel from the list. Take a moment to review the details of that particular subscription to ensure it's the correct one you want to stop. This step is crucial for accuracy. Once you've selected the correct subscription, you'll find a Cancel button. Click this button to initiate the cancellation process. PayPal will then prompt you to confirm your decision, so make sure to do so. After confirming, you should receive an email from PayPal within a few minutes, confirming that your subscription has been successfully canceled. Keep this email for your records. It's a good practice to cancel subscriptions at least one day before the next billing cycle to avoid unwanted charges. If you encounter any issues or have questions, don't hesitate to contact the merchant directly for assistance. Also, make it a habit to regularly review your active subscriptions on PayPal, perhaps once every 3 months, to ensure you're only paying for services you still use. This helps you stay in control of your finances.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.